Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and we got a video here for you today on how to reset COMFAST Repeater. It's free and easy. And by the way, be sure to click on that subscribe button so you can see more interesting videos like this one. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Here's a view of the COMFAST Repeater. And as you can see, the lights are solid. And what we want to do is go ahead and press this bottom button here for about 10 seconds, and in about 10 seconds the lights will blink like this, and that is the way you reset this repeater. And the lights will stay off for a while, and then they'll come back on like this. All the lights are lit, and at this point we can go over to our laptop computer and attempt to make a connection. To begin with, we'll go down to our taskbar and right click on our Wi-Fi icon there, and then up here we'll look for the Wi-Fi extender, and we have found it. It says 5G and 2G here, COMFAST, and we're going to go ahead and click on the 2G, and that's 2.4 gigahertz, by the way, and it says open, and then we're going to click on connection. The reason it says open because it's not set up for any password, and once we click on connect, it will automatically open up your default browser. And if it does not open up your default browser and take you to the COMFAST user interface, simply go to this URL address right here and take you to the interface for the COMFAST so you can log in. The default user ID and password is admin, ADMIN in lowercase, and also the default password is admin in lowercase, ADMIN. Now once you log in, it'll sit there and do a scan, a pretty cool looking thing. It looks like radar detection, but it scans the network and locates the available networks located in your area. And of course, you only want to connect to the one that you have authorization to connect to. And in my case, it's this one right here. It also allows me to change the name of the two networks, the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once I do, I'll click on enter the shared password, and that's the password that you would normally use to connect to your router with. And I'm going to go ahead and type that in, and once I finish typing that in, I'll click on save settings, and then it gives me the radar scan again, and then it'll come back and say press space to play. Basically it's disconnected. So I'm going to go back down and see if I can locate the new Wi-Fi extender names, and I do. And there it is right there, COMFAST-2G. And I'm going to go ahead and click on connect, and I'll type in the shared password. And once I do, I'm able to go to the internet. Okay, that's as simple as it gets, people. And that's the end of this tutorial. So far, I like the Wi-Fi extender, but I've only been using it for a few minutes, and I think it's going to be okay. I might just do a video, a follow-up video that shows the speed and the reliability of this repeater in the future. Thanks for watching. And be sure to click on that subscribe button and leave a like if you like.